we squeeze through.
Big ones.
Oh, whoa!
That was a perfect screenshot.
I wasn't a screenshot, I'm recording.
Oh, that's more, that's more.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, God.
Oh, it stinks. Wow. So blurry.
Send it to me.
I will.
Thank you.
Chill out. I saw someone from my school come here.
Oh my God, that's me and you.
It's so much better in real life, though. It's so much glittery.
Oh my God, that was a big one, that was a big one. Bang!
Ah! No, I saw a heart. I saw a heart with it. I saw a heart one. Oh, see. Oh, my Lord.
Bang! Oh,
Ah! That's it. I'm still recording. I nearly missed that one. Are they doing that one? Where it's like keeps. I'm filming. I'll send you the video. I'm filming. My camera's better than you. You got squares. You got squares on your camera. No, it's a big one. Oh, that was a bummer.
I thought it was going to be massive.
Shut up. Not asked. Oh my Lord, that's so cute.
Oh my God,
That's not good. That's so cute. My screen is glitching.
Oh my God. All I'm doing is flashing. Why?
My screen's flashing as well.
I'm saving this. My camera won't let me save it.
Same. I'm keeping this forever. Even though it's going to have our talking in it.
Yeah.
I might put this on YouTube.
Guys, it's beautiful. That's fine.
Yeah.
It's the end.
No, it's not the end.
Oh, that's
There's a big one. Big one. Big one. Please, please, please.
Please, please.
Please. I can't see anything.
I think I cooked. It's a bit weird. I think again more.
Yeah.
I heard it.
Oh my God.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my Lord.
Why does this remind me? You know, like the shells,
Oh yeah.
and they're like shiny and bright.
Yeah.
That reminds me of this. This is so bad for the environment,
Literally.
but it's so impressive.
I'm good.
Yeah, bad and good at the same time.
Because it hurt.
That's so cool. Green one?
Oh, then. Oh, yeah, that was it.
Oh my Lord.
That's a big one.
They're so cute.
You could go down there and do it.
I would wish to have a ticket. They all sold out.
Same, you know, come with you. Remember when I lighted that firework and went through someone's window?
No?
Imagine someone's in
Oh,
there.
pool birds. Pool birds. Pool
Imagine if
birds.
a person was in there. Imagine someone was in the ocean.
I nearly dropped my phone.
Oh, yeah. And then there's bloody guts coming out.
Wow.
I love it.
This is so cool.
Cooked, mate.
There they are. Oh my gosh. Chuck, 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 chuck. Explode. Please. No, those are the boring ones. They don't. What was that?
Oh, there's over there.
Oh,
You can't see it there.
did it explode in the water or something?
I know this one. I love it. This is my favourite thing.